couple the introductory remark. On my right is the rector of the Eastern Mediterranean University, my colleague, Professor Dr. Abdullah Öztoprak, and on my left is Dr. Tariq Al-Sindi from Bahrain, Quality Assurance in Education and Training, as well as he is the Secretary General of the Arab Network for Quality Assurance in Higher Education. Now, as our session involves the quality assurance and accreditation, I would like to make some introductory remarks by underlining the significance of the topic. Now, if you look at the number of students in higher education, in 1950 we had 6 million students in higher education. When we came to 2005, the number of students in higher education grew to 144 million. That is 24 times. So the demand, meeting this demand in higher education, the governments could not be able to cope with public universities. So we had the private universities coming in. Now, so many private higher educations came in, then the question that arose is that which universities are decent, while which universities are bogus degree universities? The answer could be easily found by looking at which universities are recognized by the local education authorities. So the answer could be found straight. But that had not been sufficient. The students and their families would like to know, among the recognized universities, which ones are quality, which ones are offering quality teaching and learning. So that is a question to be answered. Now, the answer to that question comes through accreditation. That is, the accreditation is used as an evidence of the quality of education offered in that higher education institution. Now, but not only that, what one should consider the accreditation as an evidence of the quality of teaching and learning, but accreditation is a tool to improve the quality of teaching in the universities. Now, looking at Europe, the Bologna process, they must ensure that the teaching and learning in the higher educations are reviewed and are above the minimum quality standards. They cannot do this to one-by-one universities, but ENQA, the association, European Association for Quality Assurance Agencies in Higher Education, asked them to have national quality assurance agencies, and they will review the higher education institutions. So, higher education institutions are expected to do their internal quality assurance. A set of criteria are prescribed to them, and external reviews are to be carried out by the national accreditation organizations.